we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Baking soda helps neutralize acidic ingredients. Baking powder and baking soda are not interchangeable, and there is no substitution for baking soda. Try the local pharmacy, or the pharmacy section of the supermarket, and ask for bicarbonate. Baking soda is also called sodium bicarbonate in Britain, or sodium hydrogen carbonate.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think, without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent. Be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.